Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Team Youth for Work will now discuss a few tips and tricks for NIACL AO Mains exam. You should be well aware of current affairs to improve your awareness and GK. Do read lots of books, magazines, newspapers. Watch news regularly to keep yourself updated. Time management is very important during the exam, but also while preparing for exam. Make daily targets for yourselves and check them at the end of the day. While you prepare, you should write down how important things you need to revise just before the exam. Give as many mock tests as you can. It will help you improve your speed and will make you analyze your weaker and strong areas. For this, I would recommend you to download the Prep Guru app given by Youth for Work. Put some extra effort while preparing for English test, especially the grammar part. Make a daily habit of writing an essay or an article. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel.